We've all seen it before. Those grainy Instagram filters, the low, fi-crackle of a YouTube playlist, or that vintage looking letter with simulated ink stains. These are not relics, but products in their own right, designed to make us feel something real by pretending to be something old. The past is no longer remembered. It's manufactured for emotional effect. Brands have turned nostalgia into currency, selling authenticity through artificial decay. What we once associated with memory now serves as a mark. The concept is simple yet effective. A curated imperfection creates an illusion of sincerity. In today's digital age, authenticity doesn't come from lived experience. It comes from design choices made by content strategists. As Neil Postman wrote in Amusing Ourselves to Death, advertising has long abandoned reason for seduction. The difference is that now it does so through the aesthetic lens of something we assume must be more honest because it looks old. But this look isn't old, it's engineered. This manufactured authenticity is not a flaw of our time. It's the foundation on which modern branding stands. When we say something feels authentic, what we really mean is that it looks like something from the past, designed to trigger emotional resonance in ways we've been taught matters. Mark Fisher once described how cultural forms become frozen into an eternal present. Nostalgia divorced entirely from history. That's exactly what's happening now. Our pasts are no longer lived experiences, but aesthetic assets.
The earliest computers were mechanical in nature. Think of Babbage's difference engine, and relied on gears, punch cards, and relay switches long before transistors made modern computation.
Neil Postman warned that in a Technopoly, memory is not preserved. It's rewritten to serve power and profit. The digital archive isn't just storing our history. It's reshaping it into something palatable for market logic. Algorithms decide which memories are relevant, which are deleted or distorted. We don't remember truths. We remember what helps someone sell us a future. The past is no longer sacred, but programmable. If memory is not neutral, but instead designed to serve profit, then nostalgia itself becomes a product. We don't just remember the past. We manufacture it using aesthetics of authenticity that feel real enough to trust. This counterfeit guarantee isn't about truth. It's about emotional convenience in a world where nothing sticks. The more convincing the simulation, the easier the sell.
Out of air, water, and coal, we produce a fertilizer for which Americans formerly had to travel thousands of miles.
Mid-century industrialization didn't just change how we made things, It changed how we thought about realness itself. In footage from 1937, a factory floor produces reels of synthetic silk, with all the reverence of alchemy turning coal into gold. The camera lingers on glowing furnaces and spinning machines, creating a sacred ritual out of mechanical repetition. But something strange is happening. This real material is only convincing because it's presented as real in the first place. We are being sold of manufactured authenticity. The grain in film reels wasn't just a byproduct. It became part of the story we told about what was real. Typewriters, with their mechanical clacks and occasional paper jams, gave birth to the idea that errors could be poetic. Film scratches, vinyl pops. These were once accidents, but became signature textures. Bathers called this the punctum, a detail that breaks through the surface of things and makes you feel something real. But now we inject those cracks on purpose. To digital imperfection, set a precedent we still follow today. The same grain now rendered in pixel shaders. The same crackle now algorithmically applied to Spotify tracks. We have not moved away from these signs. We've refined them, weaponized them even. Nostalgia is no longer memory. It's product placement. The early 20th century taught us how to simulate a past that never was in order to sell the future. It promised. And now, with AI art and deepfakes, we're not just repeating history. We've moved past merely faking history. We now engineer it in real time. Medieval manuscripts are generated by neural networks. Renaissance art is algorithmically curated, and historical identities are assembled like digital cosplay. In this new world, we are not just selling futures, we're forging pasts to make them convincing. Aesthetics no longer reflect reality, but simulate trust itself. The arms race between detection and duplication means authenticity is now measured in processing power without producing goods. Our algorithms now simulate history without producing memory. The simulacra don't just mimic, they replace. In this hyperreal loop of curated pasts and engineered futures, we are left to wonder if truth ever mattered at all. What's fascinating isn't the opposition between real and fake, but the lack of distinction entirely. This is simulation at its most potent. A world where the past is no more than a script for selling what comes next.